Teach you about the continuously compounded interest from lesson 5.1, the natural E. So I'm going to show you a scenario, but before we begin, I'd like to show you the formula used in this lesson. The formula used is A equals PE with the power of R times T. The P stands for the principal, the R stands for the annual interest, and the T stands for the time. A little side note for E. The E isn't a letter but a number. So when you see it, just know it stands for 2.718. Got it? Good. Now let's get started. You and your partner have accounts that earn annual interest compounded continuously. Of your account after T years can be modeled by A equals 6,500 E with the power of 0.03 times T. The graph shows the balance of your partner's account over time. 1. Which account has a greater principal? 2. Which account has a greater balance after 11 years? And 3. Which account has the greatest rate of change? Scenario, we need to answer the questions along the way. The first question is, which account has a greater principal? So we're going to need to find both principals. Our principal is 6,500. Now, if you look at the graph, you see a partner as 6,000. That'll be their principal. So for the answer to this question is, my account had the greatest principal since I started with 6,500 and my partner only started with 6,000. The second question that's asked is, which account has a greater balance after 11 years? This is where it gets a little tricky and you might get a little lost, so pay close attention. So this goes back to our balance. The balance is A equals 6,500 E with the power of 0.03 times T. The T represents time. The time in our scenario is 11 years, so our T will be 11. It's going to become A equals 6,500 E with the power of 0.03 times 11. Multiply 0.03 and 11 and you'll get 0.33. Now it's going to read A equals 6,500 E with the power of 0.33. Don't multiply all at once. You could get a completely different answer. So multiply E with the power of 0.33. You'll get 1.390968,128. Now you can multiply it by 6,500. Your final answer should be 9,041.29. That was kind of the hard part. So now we'll move on to the easy part, finding your partner's change of balance. Look at the graph and see where the line landed on 11 years. In this case, it's 9,900. So that will be your partner's balance. The answer for this question will be, my partner's balance had the greatest balance after 11 years since they have $9,900 and I have $9,041.29. Finally, we can answer our final question, which is, which account has the greatest rate of change? All the work you've done has come to this. To get the greatest rate of change, you'll need our formula. ROC equals A parentheses 11 minus A parentheses 0 over 10 minus 0. First, we'll start with ours. We'll start with the balance that went up after 11 years and the balance that we started with. So it's going to be 9,041.29 minus 6,500 E with the power of 0.03 times 0. We need 6,500 to be by itself, so we're going to do the same method we used to find the greater balance after 11 years. Multiply 0.03 with 0 and you get 0. Now multiply 0 with E and you get 0. Now we have removed E with the power of 0.03 times 0, so now we can move on. So subtract 9,041.29 with 6,500 and you'll get 2,541.29. Divide 2,541.29 with 10. Your greatest rate of change will be 254.13. It's the same process with the partner's account. Subtract 9,900 with 6,000 and your answer will be 3,900. Divide 3,900 with 10 and your final answer should be 390. Your final answer is, my partner's account has the greatest rate of change, since they have a rate of change of $390 and I have the rate of change of $354.13. Hopefully you learned something from this lesson. I tried my best. Have a good day, everyone.